I think we're a good ways out of our comfort zone on this one here. $100, so I couldn't pass it by. Looks complete from this side.
It's got some chains over here now.
Chains off here. See what we got. Oh, there's an axle.
Yeah.
That's not good. Our first approach was to go ahead and pull the top off of it so we could see what we were working with a little better. We're gonna have to pull out all these old leaves and junk just to see what it looks like on the chains. I know we've got a broke chain back there, or at least it's off, and there's an axle sitting on top here. So we'll get this cleaned out, inspect it a little deeper, maybe move on to the engine, see if we can get it to crank up. Something has got that.
We may have to take this off because I think it's got all that crud right there, and I bet that's just grabbing that belt and making it.
Oh yeah, all that rust. Maybe right. Yeah, let's do that. That right there. Take it off. Open it.
I will.
Huh. Does it have a fuel pump? It has to, because that's lower than the carburetor. But where's the fuel pump?
I wonder.
That's a pump?
Maybe a vacuum?
Maybe. Regardless if it is a, like a suction type feed, holding it up like that should allow it to get in there. Carburetor's gonna have to come off.
Yep. No.
Pretty close.
Pretty
I think
close.
it would if it warmed up a little bit
I think so
more.
too. Uh-huh.
Huh, well, cool. Good job on that carburetor. Guess we'll go ahead and start pulling off these other chains.